A hot new bombshell has entered the villa. You've all heard of shotgun shells, but I like to call them bombshells. I'm gonna show you how to make the bombest bombshells that have ever bombed your mouth. Warriors, come out and play! We've got chorizo, we've got Farmhouse Cheddar, we've got Mortadella from Butcher Boys, we've got Carson City BBQ Sauce, we've got pimentos and chili.
This company, Jovial, makes fantastic Manicotti Shells, gluten-free. A couple people at the party tomorrow night are gonna be gluten-free, and they're really good. I like them, you'll like them, try them.
John decided he was gonna bring smash burgers to the next cookout. Oh, hell no. I'm looking for real connection, like real flavor. You know, when I show you these bombshells, they're gonna go crazy. The neighbors are gonna freak out. John's not even gonna be on the map.
We are going to cube up this Farmhouse Cheddar so that we can mix it in with the chorizo and pipe it into the Manicotti Shells. Put it in little stacks like this. Cut it in the equal amount the opposite way. Basque Chorizo. I have these little disposable piping bags. You can also do it with regular baggies, but sometimes I find if you're doing meat or harder stuff, it kind of blows out the side and it's really frustrating. I'm gonna give probably 1 1/8 inches for piping. This is where you wanna turn this thing inside out, almost all the way. Make a little hole in there so that you can grab it, and that becomes like your hand. Start stuffing that. Don't get too full. Get enough in there where you can pull this up and over without mess. Just give it a nice twist till it starts coming out, and it should be super easy to start piping in. Boop, like a so. Yeah. Boom, one done. Boop. Boop.
Ribbons and ribbons and ribbons of mortadella. Just like that.
That was kind of a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, do with that what you will. Boom, boom, boom. Sprinkle that with seasoned in the abyss.
Yes, we have labels.
Now that these are done, all wrapped up, we stick them in the fridge until tomorrow when we're gonna throw them on the smoker. That way, all of the moisture that is in the chorizo, that's in the mortadella, is going to soak into those manicotti shells and make them soft.
Moist.
Also, if you have stacks of things that you need to put in the refrigerator, just steal blocks from your kids. They'll never know.
What?
Check it out. Bam, they're perfect. Get a load of my beautiful rack. We're gonna grab some mesquite. Hey, check these out. I'm sitting in the fridge overnight. Those manicotti shells are nice and soft. They have absorbed all the liquid that they are going to absorb, so now they can bite through and not kill anybody's teeth. So we're gonna stick them on the smoker, probably put them in for a couple hours. Smoker's at about 225 right now, and that's good. So we're gonna throw them in, lay some smoke on them, and then we'll move them closer to the firebox and let them crisp up a little bit, where we'll throw some barbecue sauce on them and get them over to the party to the next door neighbors. Ba-chow? Damn, ba-chow. Oh, how you wish you were here. There's bombshells in the smoker, and you're not here. These have been on here for just a little over an hour. We're gonna throw some Carson City barbecue sauce. I moved them up close to the firebox. We're getting some nice color on all of these things. The mortadella is crisping up. We're just gonna squirt a nice healthy dose.
Do a little bit of squirt.
Squirter! Superb. We are just gonna let those tack up with the barbecue sauce on there, running about 250 all the way across. Look at that. Dude. Some pimentos, and I've got some green chilies, which go great with the chorizo. And we're just gonna dice these up real fine as a topper for these. So I'm telling you, if you guys have ever had chorizo and pimento and green chilies together, it's like a matcha made in heaven. Let's cut into these things. Look at that, dude. I have been waiting for this for a full 24 hours at least. I just knew it. I knew they were gonna be delicious. Oh my gosh. Those are the bomb. I can't say anything else. Oh my gosh, they're the bomb. Chorizo, mortadella, cheddar cheese. Oh my gosh. Dude, those are incredible. Suck it, John. Dude, these are gonna kill it at the next barbecue.